Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Karen. In today's video, I would like to show you how to make a simple design black tourmaline bracelet. I will be using 10mm top grade black tourmaline round beads and the 0.5mm non-elastic jewelry cord. And then this beautiful lock. You may also call it a clasp, maybe. It's made of 925 sterling silver with 18K white gold plated and the zircons. In fact, you can use this same way to make a matching necklace. It is also the same way as I posted before about making the matte black onyx necklace. But the special part of this video is not about the making process, which I will tell you when the necklace is finished. Let's make the resize 6.5 inches as a sample bracelet. Prepare about 30 inches black jewelry cord and then fold it in half. Thread the open end needle like this. The first step, put it through the hole on the bell cup like this, and then thread it back again through the same hole, but go around the small bar inside the bell cup. See that? And it becomes like this. Take out the needle. You see the circle on the right and the two strings on the left. So these two strings go through the circle. Pull it tight. Now we thread the needle again and start to thread the beads. Need one more tourmaline bead. The 6.5 inches resize. Okay. Now we use the same way to thread this lock. And thread it back. Make sure it goes around the small bar inside the bell cup. Right now we can close the clip. And it becomes like this. Now separate two strings, and then one of the strings comes up like this and pull them tight again. Now tie two knots, one. Make sure I put it tight, and two. Now we cut the strings and then burn. Press, and it's done. The matching necklace is right here. Now I will show you the special part of this whole set. You see how I open the clip of the bracelet? And what if I open the clip of the necklace like this? And then I will combine them together like this. So it becomes a longer style necklace. That is to say, when you wear this whole set, you can change them at will according to the occasion. This is the DIY fun and idea I want to share with you. And the materials in today's video are available in DIYnotion.com. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.